And then the next step is to attach the jump ring and the clasp. So here is the jump ring for one end. So we take that with one pair of pliers. Ideally, if you've got 2 pairs, that's the best, but you probably don't, so I'm going to use these flat ones. So we want to do it on a right angle to get the maximum grip and least amount of marking. And we twist it opposite to get it open like this. You only need it small enough to slide through. We put it on here, and then you do the same to close it again. So twist, and you actually push it together at the same time. You can go a little bit further and back and forth just until you get that springiness of the silver right on the exact spot. And that's one end of your bracelet finished. Then for the other end, we take the clasp. This one's got a little small jump ring to attach it. The same idea, but on a smaller scale. So we twist it open, put it onto the bracelet, and with the small flat ones, we're holding on as close to the end as we can. Then you've got the clasp and the chain, and then using as much of the rest of the circle as you can, you grip onto that and twist it closed. There we go, and you can see it's not quite lined up, so we just do it a little bit more. You go a little bit further than lining them up because the silver will spring back, and that is the clasp on the other end.